So what's up guys? Magche-check tayo ng capacitor na busted and non-busted condition, okay? So here nakaset na ng automatic microfarad, okay? Is a good compressor. So you can see there's a reading normal at 10,000 microfarad, but our capacity is 12,000, and the other one, which is good or bad, you can see this is a bad capacitor. Okay, you can see this one is normal reading, and the other one, let me check this one. Okay, this one, this is abnormal reading. Okay, then this one, the new one, kasi 10,000 microfarad reading. Okay, that's it.